everyone, I'm again back with another interesting hairstyling video tutorial that is going to make you look simply pretty. Aren't you excited for the same? Let's get started. So here we have made the partitions in the hair and making a beautiful pattern like this, rolling and securing it in this way, making a heart pattern on both the sides of the hair, and by securing it and giving it a messy bun look and securing it with the help of your beautiful decorative clutches. Now make a ponytail out of your hair and then make pleats like this in a zigzag pattern mode and take the hairs out in this way from either side of the pleat, and let's see what are we going to do now. And here's the end result. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Now again take the hairs like this in a back foot position. Now take the hairs out to give it a beautiful messy look, and then by creating a zigzag pattern on the side of the hair and just fold it in a circular pattern, and this is going to give you a really amazing look. Further hairstyles are we going to create now. Make a pattern like this, take the hairs out like this, roll it into the form of a bun and secure it with the help of your clutches. Proceeding further, make the patterns like this on the side of the hair and taking and rolling it in the form of a bun and securing it with the help of your teeth clutches. And here's to the extra hair that we have left behind. You can always make a pony out of it and then the pleats, and taking some little hairs out and roll it into around the bun, and this is looking simply pretty, and you can always decorate it with your lovely looking beads. Now roll your hair in the shape like this, and again by crisscrossing in this way from left to right and then right to left. Make pleats out of the hair and then you can take the hairs out, and in this way you are going to recreate this hairstyle. Isn't it looking simply pretty? On both the sides of the hair you can do the same by taking the hairs out, and you can always tie them up and roll them into the form of a bun and secure it with the help of your clutches. Now let's see what lovely hairstyles are we going to create now. Yes, this is how we are going to create this, by taking and securing it with the help of a beautiful lovely clip. Again by taking messy hairs out like this to give your hair a bit messy look that adds to your charm. Again, and rolling your hair like this in the form of a beautiful bun like this. Isn't it looking simply amazing? You should definitely try on all these styles on yourself and you will end up getting a beautiful result. Make pleats like this and end up forming a beautiful pattern in this way. Yes, this is simply amazing. Now let's see what further hairstyles are we going to create now. Yes, making your pleats like this, and again by taking the hair in this way, making some patterns like this, and this is going to give your hair a nice, pretty, outstanding look that will make you look out of the crowd. These hairstyles are enough to grab the attention of the crowd, don't you think so? Again take small partitions of hair, make some beautiful lovely pleats like this on either side of the hair in the same pattern, and what are we going to do now? Aren't you excited to see the end result? Isn't it pretty and amazing? Proceeding further in the video, let's see what lovely hairstyles are there in store for you all. Again making some pleats like this, rolling it in this way and giving it a fancy look. Isn't it looking amazing? Aren't you excited to try out on all these? Definitely you should. Now again proceeding further, let's see this hairstyle in the form of a bow on the top of the head. This is looking simply pretty, and your decorative clutches can always adorn your hairstyles. Am I correct? Yes, this is how we have created so many different hairstyles.